Okay, for our last problem, we're doing a comparison problem, and we're doing 1 minus 1/3. So let's get out our manipulatives, and since we are doing a comparison, we're going to want both of them out. And it just so happens that my whiteboard is exactly 12 inches long, which is pretty snazzy. Also makes me super grateful that this is a comparison problem, because if it was an addition problem, I wouldn't have the room to put them right next to each other. So this is great. Oh, it's a little bit of a squiggly line. My ruler moved. That's okay. Here is one hole. That's huge. It's awesome. Okay. And then we are comparing it to 1/3. Make sure it's right on the edge there. Okay, there's 1/3. And usually with fraction bar manipulatives, 1/3 is yellow, but yellow doesn't show up very well, so I had to go for a slightly more orange color. But that doesn't really matter too much. Anyway, so here is our one whole and our 1/3, and we want to know how much bigger our whole is than our 1/3. So something that we know about fractions is that the denominator is how many pieces you need, how many equal size pieces you need to make a whole. So I should just be able to put 3 of these together and it should be the same size. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 2 more on there and see if they're the same size. And they are. If I put 3/3 together, it's the same as one whole. That's supposed to be a 1, not like a divider halfway through. It kind of looks like that's 2 pieces. So I'll just get rid of that. Okay, so we have our 1 compared to 1/3. And we needed to add 2 more thirds to make it the same size, right? Here's our 1/3, here's our whole, and so here's our original 1/3. And so we had to add 2 more thirds, so we can see that our whole is 2/3 bigger than our 1/3 there. And that would be our answer. So we can put that up at the top. 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3.